Hey guys, you guys are looking at a 2013 Cobalt 302 with twin 380 Volvo Pentas. The boat is completely loaded, hard top. The main thing on this boat is the Volvo Penta joystick. It is just with ease of driving, docking. It's just really a great feature. It's about a $35,000 option. This boat needs absolutely nothing. If you want to turn the boat a complete 360, you literally just turn it. It is like a video game. This does have trim tabs. The hours on this boat are 326 hours. It may need a service. Other than that, this boat is ready to go. We do have a full marina. We can service the boat. We will do some more testing, showing you the miles per gallon, the engine's running. Everything right now is running completely flawless. It has brand new batteries in it, brand new sea pumps. It was in fresh water most of its life. It just came to Florida. We're in brackish water. The outdrives, as you can see, look absolutely gorgeous. No rusting, no pitting, no nothing. We will have about a 10 or 15 minute video on this. We will send you the YouTube link on there as well, and you guys can enjoy the whole video. And then show the speed up here. And cruising. And then you stay right there. It's on.
You don't even have a name, just a big phone number.